Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Void, and today we are diving into something wild. That's right, we are talking about jailbreaking Claude AI. Before we jump into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment so you don't miss out on any future tech secrets and experiments. Now look, AI models like Claude have incredible safety guardrails, but tech enthusiasts are always finding creative ways to see what happens when you push those boundaries. Today, I'm going to show you how a few clever prompt engineering techniques can completely change how the model responds. Remember, this is purely for educational and experimental purposes to understand how large language models process instructions. The exact prompt you need to try this out yourself is pinned down there in the comments section, so make sure to scroll down and check it out. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, or what other AI models you want me to test next. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.